turn of events. Fellow, the renowned coffee design company, claims to have found the missing link. Leaked files detail a powerful homebrew grinder with Café capabilities. If reports are true, Fellow will finally bridge the gap between a bean and a great cup of coffee. But after 2 successful Kickstarter campaigns, has this intrepid team really done the impossible again? We all know the moon landing is fake, aliens are real, and Bigfoot walks among us. But this has to be a coffee conspiracy. Joining us now is disgruntled former employee and whistleblower.
These coffee people, man, they're nuts. Got it on film.
Welcome to Fellow Industries, where we meld beautiful design with flawless functionality. That's never been more evident than with the Ode Brew grinder. When grinders try to tackle both brewed coffee and espresso, they become a master of none. In stark contrast, Ode was designed to dominate brewed coffee. We removed the unnecessary hopper, added massive cafe-grade burrs, and transformed a messy morning chore into a clean and quiet experience.
See, man, it's real. Talk to the scientists, man.
First things first, big burrs brew better coffee. Unlike other home grinders, we use massive cafe-grade 64mm flat burrs. This reduces grind time and heat generation while increasing grind consistency.
Clyde! Come quick! I've never seen burrs so big!
Second, Ode's Smart Speed PID motor applies the same force to every bean for even particle distribution. The inconsistent speeds of other grinders can lead to unexpected boulders, fines, and who knows what else. Finally, easy but precise grind adjustment was a top priority. Ode's 33-step dial takes you to the moon and back, from Prismo to cold brew.
Is your order you're needed on set?
One sec while I dial in Miss Ethiopian Natural.
That's his 9th cup today.
Is that why we call it Buzz?
Rumors are brewing that Ode's grinding prowess may, in fact, be true, but skeptics are claiming fake news.
This grinder is too clean, man. Where's the mess? From you to Triangle, Amelia Earhart, and the missing grinds. It's one of the greatest disappearances of all time.
I get the skepticism, but frankly, we built a clean machine. Not only is the Ode electrically grounded to reduce static, a magnetic catch snaps into place, ensuring perfect alignment every time. And while most machines take a little extra effort to get out all of those grinds, that's not a problem with the Ode. Low grind retention was paramount. A high force knocker ejects the stubborn coffee grinds into the catch. So soothing.
Fellow appears to have engineered a clean machine, but there are now reports of Ode doing things that go beyond science.
I was making my usual cup of joe, and then I saw it. My hopper, it's been abducted.
And this thing's so quiet, it don't even wake Clyde up.
And that, it stops on its lonesome.
That's because we're controlling the on and off switch in their spaceship.
Oh. I still think it's aliens.
By golly, it all makes sense. A countertop stunner that delivers cafe quality grinds. Fellow's missing link. Found.
Greetings, believers. I'm Jake, Fellow's founder. The Ode Brew Grinder is our most ambitious product yet. We've successfully answered the call of the uncaffeinated for the past 6 years. But now we need your help to release Ode from our lab. It's not a conspiracy. It's just good coffee.